Assessing the likelihood and impact of risks in decision-making involves the following steps. Collect data. Gather relevant data from various sources, such as historical information, expert opinions, industry benchmarks, and external factors that may influence the likelihood and impact of risks. Represent probability or frequency. Fit the collected data to appropriate probability distributions based on the nature of the risks. For instance, use Bernoulli distribution for binary events, Poisson distribution for the number of occurrences within a fixed time frame, or Weibull distribution for time-related events with varying failure rates. Model impact as distributions. Express the potential impact of risks as distributions, capturing the range of possible outcomes and their associated probabilities. Fit the data to a distribution or use distributions like PERT to represent expert forecasts. Perform quantitative analysis. Apply suitable quantitative methods, such as monte-carlo simulations, statistical analysis, or decision trees, to estimate the likelihood and potential impact of the identified risks. This enables organizations to prioritize risks based on their potential effect on objectives and allocate resources effectively.